Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2014 Audi A4, and it's done through the control panel on this one. So the first thing we're going to do is press the car button there, and that brings your new menu up, and you can scroll with the dial there, and you want to scroll across to servicing and checks. Select with the centre button servicing and checks, and you can scroll down to service intervals. It'll show you your next interval there, and you simply scroll down and select again with the centre button to reset the service interval, and you can just select yes, scroll to yes to do that. So I'm not going to do it on this one because we do want to leave it where it is for now. So, but that's how you do it. It's a fairly straightforward reset, and it'd be the same again but with the inspection as well. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.